It's Caroline from Twinkl. You'll find loads of lovely activities on the Twinkl website for the Little Red Hen. You could start by downloading one of our eBooks, our audio PowerPoint or our story PowerPoint. Once upon a time there was a little red hen. The little red hen lived on a farm and was friends with a lazy dog, a sleepy cat and a noisy duck. We have sentence building cards, story cards, word and picture matching, and a useful book list suggesting texts that can be linked to the Little Red Hen. Our storytelling basket is a great pack which includes a range of farm and harvest themed story props and resources. Why not use our story sequencing cards to map out the main events in the story? You could use visual prompts such as our story cutouts to support children by breaking up the story step by step, from planting the seeds to eating the bread. This will also help children to spot the repeated language throughout the story. We love using these cone characters as props to retell and act out the story. They really bring the story and the characters to life. Children can have a go at writing simple sentences and CVC words using our story writing flapbook. We have loads of maths activities, from addition to 10 and 20, number lines and number tracks, number songs and counting activities. Children could use different strategies to solve these addition number problems. They could even create their own number problem by drawing pictures. Challenge children by asking them to write a number sentence to match the pictures shown on the sheet. We have a quiet time box full of great independent activities. Why not try our shadow puppets activity? Or allow children to explore the story through their senses with our sensory bin. Our story cutouts can be used if you can't get your hands on farm animal toys. You could even bake some delicious bread rolls just like the little red hen in the story. Children can have a go at pouring, stirring, mixing ingredients and rolling the dough. Of course, this activity must be supported and supervised by an adult. Enjoy the activities. We're off to eat our freshly baked bread.